Welcome back, students. So now we will continue the next part of this play, the Browning version. In the last video module, we were discussing that Taplow, a student in lower 5th grade, he imitates in the voice of Mr. Crocker Harris. What did he say? He imitates in such a way. He said that, "Dear Taplow, I have given you exactly what you deserve, not less, not more." So that time Frank, a science teacher, he was enjoying all these things, and he encourages him to speak or to listen something against his colleague or the another teacher, that is Mr. Crocker Harris. And finally Frank said, a science teacher said to Taplow, a student, "So what do you do in a severe words, harsh words? Read the nice Aeschylus and be quiet," Frank said, science teacher. Then Taplow replied in a with some disliked manner, looking at the book, "Aeschylus." Then once again Frank, science teacher, asked him that, "Look, what time did Mr. Crocker Harris tell to you or to be here? What time he gave?" Frank asked. Then Taplow replied, "6:30, sir." But once again Frank said, "See now, well, he is 10 minutes late." Who said? Frank said, 10 minutes late. So why don't you cut then? Cut means why don't you go or run away from here and play the golf? And before that, before his arrival, once again that you could come back. Why don't you cut? The teacher asked the students. Then Taplow said, "What? He was really shocked. Cut." And that is and I couldn't cut. Who replied? Taplow. "I couldn't cut, and I don't think that." And cut, that is Mr. Croc, the Croc or Mr. Crocker Harris class. "I don't think that it is ever been done all the time he has been here. I don't think so that it is ever been done by any students. All the time he has been here. And God knows, do you know? God knows what would happen if I did it." Who said? Taplow said to Frank, a science teacher, "God knows what would happen if I did it. I think that he would follow me to my home or something else, or somewhere else that he would follow me. I know that." So that time Frank said, "I must admit," Frank said to Taplow, when Taplow said that it is not possible to bunk the class or to cut, that is Mr. Crocker Harris class. That time Frank said that, "I must admit what I envy of him. I feel jealous of the teacher, that is Mr. Crocker Harris. And I know also the effect he seems to have or the hold on the boys, especially on you. I know very well. So then you all seem to scare. What? You all seem scared to death of him. What does he do?" Frank asked to Taplow, "What does he do? Why are you scared? Beat you all or something else?" Frank asked him, "What does he do? Mr. Crocker Harris, he used to beat you, punish you?" That time Taplow said, "No, sir. No, he is not a sadist. sadist. Sadist means." Then Frank asked, "I beg your pardon?" That time Taplow replied, "A sadist, sir. He is not a sadist. Sadist means a person or a man who gets pleasure of giving pain to others." Am I clear? Who gets pleasure of giving pain to others. That is known as sadist, this word. And Taplow, though he is scared of Mr. Crocker Harris, but he admits that Mr. Crocker Harris is not a sadist. He doesn't get the pleasure by giving pain to others. No, not at all. Then then Mr. Frank said that indeed, really, I think I don't know what kind of the students you are or all these things. That time Taplo replied, other masters are sadists, sir. Right? Well, of course that they are. Other masters are sadists. And you know very well who are they or who they are. You know very well, you know. Because I do not want to mention their names here. Who said? Taplo said to Frank, other masters, that they are sadists. And you know their name. And what other masters think? Other masters or teachers, that they think that we boys or we students don't understand a thing. Who said? Taplo said to Frank, a science teacher, that other masters, that they are sadists and they think that we boys or students don't understand a thing, anything. Right? But Taplo said, you are different, sir. You are a young science teacher. You are different. You are not a sadist or something. He said to Frank. That time Frank said, good Lord, what are our schools coming to? He asked the question. That time Taplo replied that anyway, sir, but Mr. Crock, he isn't a sadist, right? And that is what I am saying. But one more thing, though he is not a sadist, don't get pleasure by giving pain to others, but he wouldn't be so frightening, right, if he were. And because at least it would show me that he had some feeling. And then he explained that Mr. Crocker Harris, that he is all shriveled up. Shriveled up means, what is the meaning of this word shriveled up? Just like what? Inside like a nut. He is all shriveled up. It means squeezed up like inside like a nut. Right? And hate people to like him. It means overall, we can say overall that he is just like a surface part, hard part of the, or the rough part of the coconut or the nut, something, right? That is his behavior, strict and the discipline, the way that he used to speak to the students, etc., punish all these things. He is shriveled up, it means without emotions. He don't have any emotions, feelings or the sentiments for the students. Who said? Taplo said about Mr. Crocker Harris. And it is really funny thing, sir. It is really strange thing he said to Frank. Which funny thing? I don't know any other master or any other teacher who doesn't like being liked. Being liked means other students, whenever they used to praise, flatter him, appreciate Mr. Crocker Harris, but Mr. Crocker Harris, he doesn't like, he disliked it. And so that is why Frank's Taplo said, it is really funny thing. I don't know any other master that who doesn't like being liked. Who made this statement? Taplo made this statement. So these are the features of his nature. We need to collect it, because actually this character in reality doesn't appear in the play. Which character? Mr. Crocker Harris. But the entire play that moves around of this character, Mr. Crocker Harris. So that is why from each and every statement or through the conversation between these two characters, Frank and Taplo, that we can collect some features about his nature, his characters or the characteristics that we can collect. Right? It means we could say that here Mr. Crocker Harris, he doesn't like being liked by students. Right? So now up to this one we have explained the remaining content that we will continue in the next module. So thank you, children.